Okay. So this is the botany lecture on mitosis, the first lecture on the cell division. In the coming days, I'll tell you about the meiosis too. Okay. So the first lecture is on mitosis. You all know what mitosis is. The term was introduced by Walter Fleming in 1882. Mitosis is a Greek word which means a thread, and it completes in one round of DNA replication, which is being followed by a single round of chromosome segregation, and it generates two genetically identical daughter cells with having the same number of chromosomes. Why I choose this topic, I'll tell you later in the further slides. Why did I choose this topic? Just to show you one slide. What is that? I'm coming to that slide. Wait. See, this is that slide. I hope you all are able. I hope you all are able to see this slide. See the slide. This is actually the mitosis. Again, some problem in the slides. I think there is some network issue. This was the most important slide which I was trying to show you, and I hope it is presenting again. There is some problem. Either it is due to network problem or something like that. Some problem during slide presentation. I do not know what is happening, but there is some problem during the slide presentation. I think I should stop presentation. Either it is network problem or it is I hope this is network problem. I am trying to present this slide again, but it is presenting multiple slides. Why it is doing so, I do not know. I am leaving and coming again. Okay. Okay. So this is the slide actually. See the slide. This is what mitosis is all about. Mitosis is the process that partitions newly replicated chromosomes equally into two daughter cells. The term mitosis, derived from the Greek word meaning thread, was introduced by Walter Fleming in 1882. During mitosis, one round of DNA replication is followed by a single round of chromosome segregation and generating two genetically identical daughter cells. See, मैं आपको क्या बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं, आप इस स्लाइड को गौर से देखिए। आपको जो पहली सेल दिखाई देगी, डिप्लॉयड सेल, उस डिप्लॉयड सेल के नीचे लिखा है 2n and 2c. Now what is n? N is chromosome number and amount of DNA is c. N is not the number of DNA. Clear? इस बात को बहुत अच्छे से समझ लीजिए. N is the chromosome number. Means when the cell is not dividing, it is in G0 state. When it is in G0 state, that means the number of chromosome number is diploid and the amount of DNA is also diploid. Now when the cell cycle starts, when the interphase starts, जब cell interphase में होती है, first stage is G1. G1 stage आपको मालूम है कि G1 and G2 ये दो स्टेज ऐसी हैं जिसमें प्रोटीन का तो फॉर्मेशन हो सकता है लेकिन डीएनए का रेप्लिकेशन नहीं होता है. डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन अकर्स इन एस फेज, सिंथेटिक फेज. अब आप गौर से देखें, यहां पर G1 स्टेज जब है तब इसमें 2n and 2c, क्रोमोसोम नंबर इज डिप्लॉयड and amount of DNA is also diploid, 2n and 2c. Now comes S phase, synthetic phase. सिंथेटिक फेज में जब आप आते हैं, आप गौर से देखिए, डीएनए का रेप्लिकेशन हो गया. The replication of DNA has happened. It has been done. So the amount of DNA is doubled. It is 4c, but the chromosome number is diploid. So here you will see 2n and 4c. Now comes G2. G2 means growth 2. इस ग्रोथ फेज में आप देखें तो क्रोमोसोम नंबर और अमाउंट ऑफ डीएनए वही है, कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि जो डीएनए डबल होना था वो हो चुका है. अब इसके बाद आता है डिवीजन, यानी कि माइटोसिस. अब जब माइटोसिस हुई तो दो सेल बन गई, दोनों डॉटर सेल है. तो 2n क्रोमोसोम इधर भी आ गए, 2n क्रोमोसोम इधर भी आ गए, और जो अमाउंट ऑफ डीएनए था, जो 4c हो चुका था, 2c पहुंच गया एक सेल में और 2c पहुंच गया दूसरी सेल में. आजकल जितने भी नीट के कॉम्पिटिशन्स हो रहे हैं या पीसीएस वगैरह के कॉम्पिटिशन्स हो रहे हैं, मैंने बहुत बार देखा है ये 2n and 4c का कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत आ रहा है, एग्जाम्स में बहुत आ रहा है. और दूसरी बात यह है कि 2n and 4c, मेरे ख्याल से शायद मैंने एक क्विज भी डाली थी, उसमें शायद ये था, और नहीं था तो आने वाला है. 2n and 4c सिंथेटिक फेज में, और जब दो सेल बनेंगी तो डिप्लॉयड सेल तो डिप्लॉयड ही रहेगी क्योंकि माइटोसिस हो रही है. दैट मींस इट इज नॉट डिवाइडिंग, द क्रोमोसोम नंबर इज नॉट बीइंग हाल्फ, ये हाफ नहीं हो रहे हैं. लेकिन जो अमाउंट ऑफ डीएनए है, वो जो डबल हुआ था, वो दोनों तरफ आधा आधा हो रहा है. तो अमाउंट ऑफ डीएनए इज 2c, but the chromosome number is similar. What was in G0 is after the mitosis. G0 फेज में जो डिप्लॉयड सेल थी, 2n नंबर था, वही 2n नंबर माइटोसिस के बाद भी है. लेकिन अमाउंट ऑफ डीएनए जो बीच में 4c हो गया था, वो दोनों सेल में 2c हो जाता है. अब आप मुझे बताइए, ये स्लाइड आपकी समझ में आई या नहीं आई? अगर इफ एनीबॉडी वांट्स एनी क्लैरिफिकेशन फॉर दिस स्लाइड, he or she can ask to me. This is the basis for which I tried to tell you this lecture of mitosis. Why I chosen this topic? Just because of this slide. I hope you all got. Okay. Okay, Miss Tamil Nadu, did you get it? Okay. Miss
Okay,
Tamil
sir.
Nadu. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Did you get this concept of 2n and 4c?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I
You know,
understood.
you were familiar of all this 2n and
Yes,
4c?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I know that. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Diploid condition and 4 picogram of DNA.
Yeah, 4 picogram.
Okay.
Now
Sir.
this is prophase. Now see the prophase. Early prophase, when the nuclear membrane is intact, and in late prophase, nuclear membrane is dissolving. Nucleolus and nuclear membrane is going to be dissolved. This picture is being taken from NCERT biology book. The prophase, you can make only late prophase stage, no problem. C, metaphase. Can anybody differentiate between the metaphase of animal cell and metaphase of plant cell? कोई है जो मुझे बताए कि एनिमल सेल और प्लांट सेल की मेटाफेज में क्या फर्क होता है? इज देयर एनी डिफरेंस बिटवीन मेटाफेज ऑफ एनिमल सेल एंड प्लांट सेल? एनीबॉडी?
Asters are not formed.
हेलो?
Asters are not formed, sir, in plant cell.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Full marks to you, ma'am. Cell plate formation, Iman Day, occurs in cytokinesis, not in metaphase. Okay? Hope you understood. This is, see the metaphase in plant and animal cell. This is the structure. You can see the centrosome and the astral microtubule in animal cell. Astral microtubule in animal cell, and the astral microtubules are not formed in plant cell. So the basic feature of the mitotic spindle of animal cells in metaphase, these are the two diagrams. The spindle fibers have one end, the minus end. You see the minus end. When you enlarge this photograph, you will see the minus end embedded in the centrosome, and the other plus strand, ये जो बाहर की तरफ निकले हुए हैं, जो सूरज की किरणों की तरह है, these are the plus strands, and these inside the centromere which are embedded to inside the centrosome is the minus strand. So embedded in the centrosome and the other plus strand pointing outward. जो माइनस स्ट्रैंड है वो सेंट्रोसोम के अंदर जा रहा होगा, और जो प्लस स्ट्रैंड है वो सूरज की किरणों की तरह बाहर आती है एनिमल सेल में. The mitotic spindle in plant cells is similar to that of animal cells, except that there are no centrosomes at the spindle poles and no astral microtubules. अगर आपको एस्ट्रल माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं तो आप समझ जाइए कि ये, मैं एस्ट्रल माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल एक बार आपको फिर से दिखा देता हूं. ये अगर आप इसको देख पा रहे हो, ये मैंने डार्क कर दिया, आपको दिखाई दिया सबको? दिस डार्कर वन?
Yes, sir.
Bluish astral microtubule. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.
So you see this astral microtubule. Ma'am, I am right?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Astral microtubules are not found in plant cell.
Yes, sir.
This is the basic difference. Okay. This is anaphase. We all are familiar with anaphase. The centromere divides. The chromosome moves apart from their own poles, and now the chromatids, now they are going to become the chromosome. जब तक ये अटैच रहते हैं तब तक chromatids होते हैं. When they depart, they become the own chromosome. They become the complete chromosome. This is what is happening, or what happens in anaphase. Now see the telophase. This is telophase. This is telophase. The cell is going to divide. The nucleus moves apart. The cell membrane, the nuclear membrane reappearing. Nucleolus reappearing. This is telophase. Telo means end. When the division is going to end, the picture is known as telophase. Now see, this is cytokinesis in animal cell. cytokinesis in an animal cell, the cleavage furrow forms because of the contraction of a contractile ring made up of actin and myosin 2 filaments bound to the cytoplasmic face of the plasma membrane. तो एनिमल सेल में जब साइटोकाइनेसिस होती है, यानी कि जब साइटोप्लाज्म का डिवीजन होता है, इट अकर्स थ्रू क्लीवेज फरो. Cleavage furrow is formed in animal cell. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Cleavage furrow.
Correct, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Now, see the plant cell. See the phragmoplast. साइटोकाइनेसिस इन अभी आपने देखा एनिमल सेल में क्लीवेज फरो बना था, बट इन प्लांट सेल द साइटोकाइनेसिस इन इफ वी सी द साइटोकाइनेसिस इन अ प्लांट सेल, a key step in formation of the cell plate is the generation of the phragmoplast. The phragmoplast is an array of microtubules together with actin filaments and Golgi derived vesicles that act as a framework for formation of cell plate. The plus ends of the phragmoplast microtubules are directed toward the cell plate and minus ends are directed towards the divided nuclei. Vesicles containing cell plate materials are delivered toward the plus ends of microtubules and fused to form the cell plate. तो अगर सेल प्लेट और फ्रेगमोप्लास्ट की बात हो रही है, that means we are talking about the plant cell. And if we are talking about the cleavage furrow, that means we have taken the animal cell in consideration. So in animal cell, cleavage furrow is formed during cytokinesis, but in plant cell, it occurs through the formation of the cell plate, which is the generation of the phragmoplast actually. So cell plate, plant cell, cleavage furrow, animal cell. Now one more thing is very important. Syncytium and sinusoid. आप लोगों ने बीएससी में पढ़ा होगा अक्सर सिनोसिटिक सेल. गरिमा किसी सिनोसिटिक सेल का एग्जांपल बताओ.
Numerous nucleus, sir.
Yeah, multiple
More
nuclei.
nucleus. Yeah.
More nucleus. Can you give any example, ma'am?
Yeah, the fungi, sir. Fungi.
Fungus. Which fungus?
Yeah.
Fungi. Which fungus?
Uh,
Vaucheria. Imande is completely right. Absolutely correct. Vaucheria is an alga with
yes.
sinusitic nature.
Mm.
Can anybody name sinusitic fungus? God bless you, Iman. Any fungi with sinusitic nature?
Maybe that is Hydra, which contains numerous.
Syncytium. She is again right. But I want to know it from the BSc students because they have studied it in their syllabi. Ekta Rajani, Sejal, सिनोसिटिक फंगस जिसका माइसीलियम सिनोसिटिक होता है. एक तो बता दिया सिनकाइट्रियम इन्होंने, होलोकार्पिक फंगस. दूसरा कौन बताएगा? चलो मैं बता देता हूं. एल्ब्यूगो पाइथियम दोनों सिनोसिटिक होते हैं. एल्ब्यूगो एंड पाइथियम. So in some organisms, अरे आयुषी गुप्ता तुमने बहुत देर की एल्ब्यूगो बताने में, उससे पहले मैंने बता दिया. So in some organisms, karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis, as a result of which multinucleate condition arises, leading to the formation of a sinusoid. In contrast to a sinusoid, a syncytium is a multinucleate cell which forms as a result of fusion of multiple uninuclear cells. देखो सिंसाइशियम और सिनोसिटिक दोनों में अंतर होता है. एक बनता है वॉल के डिसॉल्व होने से और दूसरा बनता है बहुत सारी वॉल होने से, सेल डिवीजन से. दैट इज सेल्स विद अ सिंगल न्यूक्लियस. A classic example of a syncytium is the formation of skeletal muscles. In animals, well-studied examples of the sinusitic state are found in the Blastoderma of Drosophila. However, the word syncytium is used incorrectly to describe it. यहाँ पर syncytium वर्ड का इस्तेमाल नहीं होना चाहिए लेकिन होता है. So this is all about the mitosis. And once again, I prepared this lecture from the book Life Sciences Fundamentals and Practices, written by Dr. Pranab Kumar and Usha Meena, Pathfinder. Ma'am from Tamil Nadu, did you ever hear about this book? Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir? Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Did you hear? Did you?
Yeah,
Hello.
sir.
Can you?
Hello,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Sir, I'm hearing.
So,
Okay, sir.
okay. So this is all about more presentation, and I am going to repeat it again on the demand of Iman Day. I am
Okay,
going
sir.
to repeat it. Okay. So please have a look
Okay, sir.
off. This is botany lecture on mitosis. Introduction. The term was introduced by Fleming. Mitosis is a Greek word. This is the slide. I want all of you to take a snapshot of this, a screenshot of this slide. However, I will post it on YouTube, so you can download it from there too. This is actually the slide for which I chosen this topic. This is prophase, everybody knows about. This is metaphase, everybody knows about. Metaphase in plant and animal cell. Astral microtubules, I hope everybody have got it. Anaphase, at anaphase, the sister chromatids split apart and are drawn to opposite poles. Kinetochores pull the two sister chromatids towards opposite poles. This is telophase, cytokinesis in animal cell and cytokinesis in plant cell. In animal cell, it takes place through cleavage furrow. In animal plant cell, it takes place through cell plate and phragmoplast. This is the book from which I have chosen this topic. Cenocytic and syncytium is when karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis, as a result of which multinucleate condition arises leading to the formation of a सिनोसाइट. जब कैरियोकाइनेसिस नहीं होती है तब बहुत सारे न्यूक्लियाई बन जाते हैं. भाई न्यूक्लियस में जब डिवीजन नहीं हो रहा है और न्यूक्लियस का डिवीजन इज नॉट फॉलोड बाय साइटोकाइनेसिस. न्यूक्लियस में तो डिवीजन हो गया लेकिन साइटोकाइनेसिस में डिवीजन नहीं हुआ, तो फिर मल्टी न्यूक्लिएट कंडीशन बन जाती है जिसको हम सिनोसिटिक कंडीशन कहते हैं. So I hope you all have got understood what I told you today.